Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial we are going to learn pointers. In the last tutorial we learned about the address of operator, which help us to get the address where a variable is stored. Now we are going to create pointers that store these addresses. So what is pointer? A pointer is a variable that stores the memory address of another variable. Firstly, let's declare a variable. I'll create a variable age, which is of int type, and initialize it to 24. I'll also create a boolean variable, let's say human, and set it to true. Next we create pointers. Notice how the pointer data type matches the variable type. So for age, that is integer value, we declare a pointer of type int, and for boolean value we declare a pointer type bool. Let's say age pointer, let's say human pointer. So in line number 15 and 17 we just have declared two pointers only. Now we have to initialize the pointers. So let's assign the reference of those variables to those pointers. So if we use address of operator, so it will give us the address of variable. So here I'm using address of operator. For human pointer also I'll write like this. Or we can initialize here also. So this age pointer is stored the address of age variable, and this human pointer is stored the address of this human variable, which is of boolean type. Now we can print the values of these variables along with their memory addresses. So for that I'll use cout statement. If I write only pointer name, so it will give us the address only. Let's run this program. As you can see, we are getting address only because this pointer only stored the address of this age variable. If we want to print the value which is located in this address, then we need to dereference this pointer by using this asterisk symbol. Let's run this now. As you can see, we are getting value also which is located in this address. When we use the asterisk symbol while accessing the value, it is known as the value at operator, or we can say the dereference operator. Similarly, if I add reference and dereference operator like this, so now the question is, will it give error or it will compile? So here we are using address of operator, so it will return the address of this statement. Then we are using dereference operator. Dereferencing the address of pointer means we are accessing the value stored at that address, but we already know that the value stored on this address is address of age variable. So both statement will print the address of age variable only. Let's run this. As you can see, for both line number 25 and line number 27 we are getting same addresses. So this is the introduction of pointers. In upcoming videos we will see the relationship between arrays and pointers. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.